your seeds that you already started. You got some corn hopefully growing, and you have the opportunity to decide what abiotic factor will go into it. I have some different ideas here for what you put it in. That's your choice. I'm going to choose these. They have holes in the bottom, so you take a piece of newspaper, there's some water and a bucket, and you put the wet newspaper in the bottom. That prevents things from falling out of the holes. Then you decide what you're going to test. Now make sure you only have one thing you're testing, not multiple things, so you know what made a difference. So for this particular setup, I'm going to test the amount of light and how that impacts plant growth, because that's an abiotic factor. So you might want to use this, that's fine, but I'm going to use soil. So I'm just taking soil. I just need to put a scoop or two in here, pack it down a little, add a little more. And since this is an experiment, I have to put the same amount of soil in both setups. Now you may choose to use, instead of comparing light, you may want to do soil and this permaculate. Or you may want to do soil versus sand. Or you may put them both in sand and compare something else. That's totally up to you. You make the decision. You only need about that much soil. Then you go to your plants, and you gotta be really gentle because they have these little things called root hairs that are starting to grow. So here's one plant. I'm just gonna very, very gently, because I don't wanna wreck all its work in building roots. And, oh, it's growing right through there. Okay. So then I need to just kind of make a little hole, put the roots under the ground, pack the soil around it, and it looks like I might need a little more soil in here so that it covers up all the white parts all the way up to the green part. So there's my one plant, and I'm going to take the other one, and I'm going to do the same thing here. Now your plants maybe didn't do so well, or you don't like them, whatever. I do have more seeds, and you can just start from seed if you would like for this particular experiment. That is totally up to you. So there we go. My two plants. I need to measure them, so I'll get my ruler. I'll measure the height, record it in the data table, take a picture of each. That's my first part. And the next thing is I'm putting one in light, one in the dark. So I'll put one under the grow light right over here. Right there. It'll get water, all the water it needs, because I'll water in the tray. And then the other one will go on a tray, and then the ones going in the dark will be stored in the dark here. And we'll come and check them every time we can.